We're at my sister's house for Christmas. Mickey's gonna unbox her Christmas present. Okay. What is that? Wow! You like it? All the Elsa items. So this is necklace. Do you want to wear? And then this is a headband. And then we have a wand. You want to open this up?
Also my heart shape.
Alright. Let's do makeup together. Firstly, we're gonna put on this Paula's Choice serum. Okay, put it on here. Look here. Look here, look here. Put on some. Do you need more? Do you need more?
Smelly.
It's not smelly. It's just normal skincare smell. Yeah, just one will do. Oh. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay, help Yi put on makeup, okay? How about you help me tap it out? You want some?
No more.
Yeah, no more.
Mama, take it.
Woohoo! I'm a princess!
I'm princess.
No, I'm a princess.
I'm princess.
No, I'm a princess.
No, I'm a princess.
No, I'm the princess.
No, I'm a princess.
I'm a princess too!
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. No.
Yes. Some makeup.
Okay, let you play with this.
I bought this for you. You can play it on your own.
Oh.
How are you guys enjoying your Christmas? You need. Oh my god, Mickey! It's dripping! Hello, and my sister's here. We're excited because I'm very hungry, and also my right eye seems a little bit itchy, but we're excited to eat.
Everyone knows. Yummy also.
Yeah, you want wine too, right?
Me too.
Oh, I think a baby cup.
Baby cup.
I think I know who everyone got. Okay.
Can I drink some? Thank you. Mmm.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Smile. Smile. Yeah, you hold it like that, okay? Papa, then you turn over.
Italian woman.
And you look. She found it.